I know, right? I know. Where are the people still waiting for 1 cent Casper? Where are they? Yeah, we're gonna talk about that today. Anyways, guys, what's up, guys? Welcome, welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And so am I. And that being said, let's grab a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maximus mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Kaspa. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we'll look at 24 hours market performance, and right after that, we will look at prices in details. And last but not the least, we will check out our positions. I will look at mine, and you can follow along. Look at yours, and we can compare notes. Understand? But before that, yeah, many people are still in disbelief, right? Now, let me set this down. People are still in disbelief. I am telling you, bull run will not last long. You better try to get that water. I'm telling you, they are going to pump it. They're going to pump the market. They're going to pump crypto. Everything is set already. Not just for the US, Europe, Asia. It is happening. Okay? But before we get to that, guys, you still down Casper yet? Where is everybody that was asking for 1 cent Casper? Go check all YouTube all last week. Casper is dead. Casper is going nowhere. Casper is blah, 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 blah. And what was I saying? Again, I don't want to be the one to sit here and tell you, yep, I told you so. But there is a lot of bullish momentum happening. I think I've been the only one here talking about it was not making any sense for Casper to be how you saying it? It was not making any sense for the KII, and then you have the Casper Ecosystem Foundation. You have all these people. Even when the Casper themselves, they came out and talking about, yeah, Casper is ISO 20022 compliant, which has to do with banking, has to do with DeFi. It did not make any sense for all these people to come out here, not just in front of the TV, in every expo that they went. It didn't make any sense. They came out here, yeah, we have this will be done on Casper if the smart contracts were not ready. I told you guys, I said, it didn't make any sense. I told you, I said, I believe smart contracts are ready. And most people told, yeah, we haven't have this and blah, the Casper is going down and this and that. And I kept telling you, and I'll keep saying it again. If you are buying Casper under $1, you are very early. Very, very early. Because the technology that Casper brings into this cryptocurrency world, you have never seen before. And again, a lot of people say I repeat myself much, but I always like to emphasize on that little thing. First one to come was Ethereum, right? Could not solve the trilemma, too slow, too expensive, blah, blah, blah. Somebody came up again, the most recent one, Solana. Solana tried to solve it. It didn't, but it was better than Ethereum. And what happened? Meme coins on Solana. This, that on Solana. Transactions, even transactions like, let's say if you want to send USDT or whatever, you rather send it on Solana versus sending it on Ethereum. DeFi, gaming, things like that on Solana. And what happened? Sui came along. Sui, which was being better. Sui, who seems like whatever. The same thing. It couldn't solve the problem, but it was better than Solana. It doesn't crash. Yeah, so many things. And what happened? You already seen it. Look at the total value lock on Sui. Why is it going up? And go look at the total value lock on Solana. It is taking it is taking that market share. It is taking that from Solana and Ethereum because it's better. Okay. And I sit here and I ask you, what do you think will happen when the perfect crypto like Kaspa shows up? The trilemma solved is faster, is more secure, it is less expensive, it doesn't crash. I am telling you that you are not ready. Guys, seriously, you are not ready. Many people don't believe me when I tell you I think a $10 Kaspa is very possible because you look at the market cap. For Kaspa to get to $10, it will need 260 billion dollar market cap. And I'm telling you guys, Kaspa will get there. Kaspa will get there in the top 3 cryptos or even top 2. You will see it. Many people don't believe it. Many people still think, yeah, I am a moon boy, I'm a Kaspa maxi. But now I've been in this crypto space for a while. And as a guy who wants to be a millionaire, multi-millionaire, I always look for ways to make my money grow. Trust me, I would have sit here and tell you, yeah, go buy Bitcoin. I would have sit here and tell you, yeah, go do this. But so far, looking at everything in front of me, okay, you look at everything in front of me, and the fastest way to achieve that wealth right now is Kaspa. Trust me when I tell you this, it's Kaspa. It's up to you. You can then get up and do your own research, and then you will see. You will probably come to that conclusion. That's why when I say Bitcoin 2.0 is Kaspa, most people call me, oh yeah, you don't even know what you're talking about. But once you go read it, you start looking at what they are doing, you will believe that, yeah, Satoshi really intended Kaspa to be the Bitcoin. You will see it. Okay, it is happening. It's not even something like, yeah, it's still a dream. Go to their white paper. It's happening. Today, I was just reading about it, and the funny thing happened. You remember when they was talking about KRC20 was going to come up? Now we know better, even better about Kaspa smart contracts. Okay, they gave us some hints, and it is hinting that, yeah, we are going to have Sparkle on Kaspa chain because it's going to serve for a specific purpose, just like traditional finance, just like tokenization, let's say real estate and all that stuff. And then we are going to have the Ingra Lab ZK rollups smart contracts used for DeFi. So yeah, those two are going to be intertwined, which means transactions like DeFi, things you do with, how do I explain this? Which you do like borrowing, lending, all that shit. You already know those protocols that are going to happen as a ZK rollup because they require even way faster than things to be done. Okay, and then you have, let's just say, banking system. Like you want to use MoneyGram, or you want to use Western Union, you want to send money from one country to another. All those kind of things needs more security, and there's a way they explained it, but it makes a lot of sense. So yeah, they're saying in 3 weeks or 3.5 weeks, we are going to start testing smart contracts on 10 BPS. See what I'm telling you? Everybody else sat here last week. I think I'm the only YouTuber that has never been bearish on Kaspa. And even last week, I was telling you guys, it does not make any sense for price to be going down. It doesn't. It doesn't make any sense because there's so much bullish momentum behind Kaspa. And even now, we have come out. People have started to figure out what Binance is doing. Binance is about to list Kaspa. Everybody, like I've been telling you guys, I think I'm suspecting it to be tangled with the 10 blocks per second. Now they come out, yeah, the Binance wallet is going to do this. Now you have to be verified. You have to do this and that. And on the other hand, you have OKX teasing, posting, and then deleting it, I'm telling you, it's about to be frenzy. You are about to see Kaspa run $2, $3, $4 in record time, because all these catalysts, everything, it looks like it's all going to happen all at once or back to back. OKX is not a little exchange, you know that. So yeah, you have smart contracts being tested, and in the 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks, something like that, they will do it just like the ZK roll of EVMs are going to come in first. Smart contracts, they will do it by using the K, like they did on KRC20s. So yeah, they have already started announcing that stable coins are going to be there. So yeah, guys, you do not, trust me, you do not want to sleep on Kaspa. You don't. You don't want to sleep on Kaspa, because time is going to come. You're going to wake up and that thing will be so gone. It's not even funny. Trust me, you don't want to sleep on Kaspa. And again, people still sat there. Like one guy was saying, yeah, he's just running a little bit and then he's going to crash back down again. And I just laughed. I just laughed. I said, okay, I agree with you, but I think, yeah, I will sit here and tell everybody, I told you so. I will be the one to tell you that. You will see. You are no longer far away from it. It is put 2 and 2 together. And that is not only it. Even so, okay, let's go back, circle back to the another subject. I told you guys, crypto bull run will not last. And I've been giving you, even so, tell you, look at what is happening in Europe, look at what the central banks are doing, and nobody pays attention to a lot of things. Right now, I even told you guys Bitcoin was going to bounce, right? What happened? Bitcoin is bouncing. We're going to have a little rally up right now. But this is what I think will happen, because I've been looking at a lot of things. And one of those things is the world's M2, the money supply of the world. I've been looking at that. And then if you put 2 and 2 together, for example, the US, we are playing with the interest rate. And that's what Donald Trump wants to do. Drop the interest rate to 0 so that people can borrow more, more of the US dollars. The Europe, they are playing around with their own economy. They are playing around with the government's their own government money, which again, the aim of all this is to make sure that every currency in the world is all tied up. You understand? It's all tied up. What will happen? I've been telling you guys about the relationship between traditional currencies and Bitcoin. I've been showing you guys this every day, even a little bit. Even when the DIX, let's use the US dollar for example. You've seen it. Even when the US dollar moves up a tiny bit, what happens to Bitcoin? Bitcoin drops, right? And I'm telling you, you guys got 5 to 6 months. The M2, the world's money reserve, is about to go shrinking, because people are going to take money off take advantage of the interest rates of the bonds of whatever. They are about to shrink, which trust me, they are going to pump it, because everybody is trying to make sure, okay, they pump it, people get money. It usually works that way. Big money creates a situation that dumb money, not big money, I'm gonna say smart money. Smart money creates a situation for dumb money to fall for. They grab your money and then crash the market. That's what will happen. Okay, like for example, they will pump crypto. You will start hearing, guys, we have two things to pay attention. First, 3 weeks. Look at the M2 in 3 weeks. Look at that. Okay, some of you, I'm not going to do your research for you. Google it. Okay, M2, the money supply of the world. Go look at it in 3 weeks, and then look at it again in let's say I I just want to take an average, anything between 90 and 105 days, which will put it three, 3.5 months. Okay, look at it, because like I'm saying, you're about to see a little rally of Bitcoin or anything else. You're about to see it, because when you look at that chart, that shows you something that in 3 weeks it looks like Bitcoin is about to start taking off. We're going to have you a lot of rally to go off, and then 3 weeks or something we might have us a little correction, and then we're going to see in that 3.5 months we will have you a major rally that ain't going to last long. That's why I keep telling you, count from now. You have 5 to 6 months. Count March, April, May, June, July, August. Okay, between August, September, you're about to see it. Because something that I found out when I was looking at it, the M2 usually depicts the beginning of crypto, like Bitcoin last leg up. It usually do that, and if you look at it right now, it is signaling that. And the M2, when it runs, it doesn't when you look at the money supply, it doesn't, it usually take approximately that, okay, between 2 to 3 months. And that chart is showing that signal. It usually show a little pump first, a little correction, and then bam. So that's what I'm saying, pay attention 3 weeks or thereabout, and then after that pay attention to 105 or something like that. Okay, because like you can't really pinpoint with accuracy, but that in that range. And when that happens, it's going to run. When it runs, it will take what you call it, you will see the bond market, the bond market, you see the crypto market, you will see the stock market, everything run crazy, get up there. And then you look at the monetary supply again, the M2, it will just dive, because people are going to take the money out of the ecosystem, out of everything. Like I said, China has 50% interest. Therefore, US by then I think will be either dropping to 0% interest or close to that. People are going to grab that opportunity and put it into the Chinese economy. Like I told you guys yesterday, Germany, Spain, France, they are going to try a strategy with their bonds. And that, my friends, people are going to take opportunity to that zero interest of the US dollar. Okay, grab as much as they can, invest in those bonds, invest in everything else they can. And you guys already know, like I said, the US dollar, the value will shoot up like crazy shoot up. You will see the M2 will drop, because the amount of US dollars on the street will drop. And you guys already see, just like I show you every day, relationship between the Dixie, which is the US dollar, and Bitcoin. Since the value of the US dollar will shoot, you will see the value of Bitcoin plummet. Okay, and then the bear market will start. Again, everybody else super bullish. I heard today $200,000, $300,000 Bitcoin. Okay, if it happens, I will sit here and I will admit, yes, I was wrong. But every signal on the wall right now, everything on the wall is pointing that the bull run is not going to last, and Bitcoin will not be that high. 150, 160 tops. That's what I'm telling you guys. So yeah, it's up to you. Like I said, I will start monitoring the market. When we start to get that 130, 140, I will start monitoring the market, because I believe the bull run will be over and we will have us an extended bear market. Therefore, I want to short the living Jesus out of Bitcoin. That's why you will see me, I will start to monitor the market, because I want to enter that position, and you guys are going to see it. Okay, so yeah, get ready guys. We have a couple of months left to make that money. And if you play it like I do, I usually, the money I make on the long positions, that's the money I usually use to short. Okay, that's my plan. That way I don't have to take money out of my own pocket. I'm just playing with house money. Yeah, that's what I do. So therefore, please watch the macroeconomic. Watch. Pay attention to those things, because yeah, you will begin to see everything that I'm looking at. Guys, pay attention to the CPI data, the job, the inflation, the interest rate. Pay attention, like if you, even though, just put the economy channel on TV. Pay attention to those things. Much more, pay attention to the M2 money supply of the world, not for your own country only, the entire world. And monitor the US dollar, because you know everything that you trade across the entire world is mostly tied to the US dollar. So yeah, pay attention. You will see. Don't say I didn't warn you, but everybody else, well, it's about to happen. Okay. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. But yeah, that's the piece of information for today. Anyways, let's go look at the market right quick. Let's see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Again, everybody else expecting that 1 cent Kaspa, right? Everybody is expecting 1 cent Kaspa. The entire market is red. Okay, look at, come on. Every market is red, but look at who is floating green. Look at who is floating green. Okay, are you still expecting a 1 cent Kaspa? Anyways, this is on the daily. Okay, now on the weekly, like I usually tell you, we reset the daily, we reset the weekly. Now the monthly is coming. I'm telling you guys, Kaspa is going to run. Like you can see, we're already green on the daily, we are green on the weekly. Now let's wait on the monthly. But anyways, let's look at it in details. King Kaspa, KAS. There, can see that? That's that's the craziest thing. Like oh my God. Anyways, for the past hour, Kaspa is down 0.2%, 10.2% up on the day. 12.8% up on the week. You see that? Daily has reset, weekly has reset. Look at the monthly, 19.3% down. It is coming, it's about to turn positive. And then on the yearly, we are sitting at 46.5% down on the year. It is coming. Look at the market cap. Yesterday we were sitting at 1.8, 1.6. Today, market cap is sitting at $2.02 billion, and the 24 hours volume traded at $76.18 million. Now, that volume, I'm not happy with it. Yeah, we want to see the volume around 120, 130, which again, since everybody's still bearish, I think that's why the volume's still down. Wait until Kaspa start hitting the targets I mentioned yesterday, and I'm about to show you again. FOMO is about to kick in like you have never seen before. Okay, now let's look at Quant, the banker's coin. Banker's coin, which is the coin everybody loves to hate. Okay, look at Quant. Okay, the US have already started talking about stable coins, and I'll keep telling you guys, excuse me, I keep telling you guys, Quant regulations are slowly kicking in. Okay, US has already started talking about stable coins. Even the Trumpicious Magicious reserve with XRP. Trust me, even if they slide that way, I'm telling you, Quant is about to make you money. Well, pay attention if you will. If not, don't say I didn't tell you, right? But anyways, look at that. Quant for the past hour, we are down on 1%. 1.5% up on the day, 3% down on the week, 18.4% down on the month, and 44.1% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.11 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $25.03 million. Again, volume is not up. Therefore, yeah, I think the price is about to reverse. Sorry. Now, if you look at Jasmine, the Japanese Bitcoin, which again, you guys should know why I am calling it that. But anyways, Jasmine, before we look at this, look at what the CEO of Jasmine posted. I want to show you this right quick. Let me just search for it. I was reading about that in a second. Hara, what is Hara? On Hara. Here, This is Jasmine. I'm following him. This is something he posted, and it was really innovative, okay? Because he's like, yeah, look at that. Jasmine token now compatible with Ethereum and Base via Chainlink CIPP. Now, this is what they usually do, okay? They usually do this, and then look at 10 hours ago. After that, he posted this. We are migrating the Junction GPU pool servers in time for the platform to be fully operational. We apologize for any inconvenience caused by the current inaccessibility. Now, what did I tell you guys? Jasmine, he started to build its own ecosystem. That's why they have the partnership with Sony and with Panasonic and all those electronic. Junction is like the PlayStation Network. You know, like the money you're going to be using paying for your games, so all that stuff is going to come with the Jasmine ecosystem. So this is happening, and most people are not paying attention for it. So yeah, Jasmine is about to be is about to catch on fire, because yeah, if you look at it, he posted this again. Jasmine coin goes multi-chain with Chainlink. Therefore, Jasmine is going to be able to transact in different chains. And again, I'm pretty sure once Kaspa gets going, they are going to link up. You just watch and see. That's why I am very bullish on Jasmine. But anyways, let's go look at this right quick. For the past hour, Jasmine is down 1.2%, 5.4% up on the day, 16.5% down on the week, 40% down on the month, and 30.7% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $663.39 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $57.44 million. Now, last but not the least, we do have Cubic. Again, those of you who paid attention, you're probably making good money right now. For Cubic, for the past hour, we are up 2.9%, 8.2% up on the day. On the weekly, we are not moving, 44.5% down on the month, and 88.9% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $113.7 million and a 24 hours volume sitting at $2.42 million. See, the volume is low. People are not selling their people are not selling their money. I mean, their Cubic. If you look at Bitcoin, again, like I told you, I'll start looking at it. 0.5% down the last hour, 3.5% up on the day, 3.1% down on the week, 14% down on the month, and 17.5% up on the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.67 trillion and a 24 hours volume traded at, sorry about that, $27.5 billion. You see what I told you guys? This is why I call Jasmine the Bitcoin of Japan, because look at these numbers for Bitcoin and pay attention to Jasmine. See that Bitcoin is up 3.5% on the day. But look at Jasmine right quick, okay? Look at this. Jasmine. See? Whatever Bitcoin does, Jasmine will do twice. 3.5 and Jasmine is almost up 6%. So yeah. This is why this is why I call it the Japanese Bitcoin. I don't know for what reason, but Jasmine is tight on the waist with Bitcoin. Bitcoin moves, Jasmine will move upwards, but twice. If Bitcoin dumps, Jasmine will dump, but twice the amount, okay? So yeah, it is just something I've been paying attention for the past few years on Jasmine. But anyways, now let's go look at prices in details, because yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. Let's open my trading view right quick, okay? It is so funny. Everybody usually be like, how did you get this? How do you get it so accurate? But yeah, again, pay attention to the DXY, which is the US dollar, and look at Bitcoin. What did I tell you? DXY drops, Bitcoin goes up, right? So yeah, there is that inverse correlation between two of them. That's what I'm telling you. With the M2, that's what I'm telling you. With the M2 supply dropping, okay, the value of the US dollar going up, you about to see the beginning of the bear market. And it's not far away. Don't say I didn't warn you. I'm just and if I'm wrong, I would sit here that day and I will admit like yes, I was wrong. But again, I will say it one more time. The writings on the wall, everything going on around us is pointing that yeah, it won't last that long. You will see. But anyways, now let's go look at the prices in details. Let's go with King Kaspa right quick. OMG. OMG. What I tell you yesterday? A lot of people were calling for 1 cent. What did I tell you? This is the 1 hourly chart. Yeah, we are above the moving average. We are now riding the ribbon upwards. I think if you look at it on the 4 hours, I think it should be easier to explain on the 4 hour. Okay, see, yesterday, if you pay attention, I was telling you the ribbon was curving, and sooner than later, we are going to start turning green. And what's happening right now, guys? Look at that, my friends. The ribbon has started to turn green. Like I told you guys, curving upwards and turning green. Then immediate resistance is going to be up here. Don't know if it's going to hit it here or somewhere here, but 8.2, 8.3 cents. And like I was singing yesterday, I told you guys, price always gets attracted to the moving average, right? And as you guys can see, we're heading there. So now I'm expecting something very simple. First, the first scenario is going all the way there, get rejected, and come back and probably bounce on the moving ribbon again. Just like you see, we always go up, come bounce on the ribbon, go up, bounce on the ribbon, go up. And now, second scenario, probably come down a little bit, bounce on the ribbon, and then go up, go try the resistance again. Now, depending on how much force we break it. If we break this, we might come back down, use that as support, and up we went. Or, again, everybody else who is still they're all still waiting, right? So we have a second option, probably do that, bounce, come back around that 7.4, 7.5 again, because by then I'm expecting this ribbon to be somewhere here, bounce, and then go try again. I told you, you can either 5, 10, or even 100x your money. All you have to do is look at the charts. Again, when I trade, I don't use rocket science. I just use simple things. Everybody's bearish. That's the biggest one. I turn bullish. Look at the ribbon. Look at the moving average. Look at, excuse me. Ribbon, moving average, okay? You look at MACD, look at RSI, people's sentiments. Look at that. Because now, when everybody's bearish, that means most people, or even more than 70 or 80%, they are shorting. That means them little bastard market makers, they're going to flip this thing. And I kept telling you, I showed you everything. Some of the people came on my channel and called me Moon Boy. I can't even show you my inbox messages. Moon Boy, blah, blah, blah. What are you looking at now? Who's laughing now? Where is the 1 cent Kaspa at? Yeah, I'm still waiting, right? But anyways, now if you go again, let's go look, because again, pay attention to this, okay? This is the 4 hourly. Look at it on the daily. Like I told you guys, pay attention to the Jedi candle. Jedi candle is a reversal, right? I kept telling that to everybody who would listen, and some people were still bearish. And again, this is just the beginning of a big move. Why? Look at the ribbon again. On the daily time frame, it is curving upwards. We have not even started. It is curving upwards. Again, look at that candle. Star Wars, like I said, usually be a reversal. We should have had it here. But again, Trumpicius Magicius did his thing, and that is why the market dumped. And again, if you've been following my channel, what I tell you about the purple line serve as support. So yeah, look at this. Now we have the resistance here, which again, like I said, 8.3 or something like that. If we break it, this thing is going to look to try to catch up with the moving average, which right now is sitting at 12.3 cents. That's where it's sitting. So yeah, we might break above this ribbon, use that as support. As you guys already seen on the lower time frame, this is what happens. Use that as support, and up we went. Don't say I did not warn you, because this is what I've been telling you guys. do not expect 1 cent Kaspa. There is so much bullish momentum. It is not happening. But oh well, for those of you that listen, congratulations, because I know, yeah, I know exactly how you feel right now, right? Anyways, now if you look at it on the weekly, like I said, you usually reset on the daily and then reset on the weekly. We are on the weekend right now. Let's zoom this out a little bit. I want to show you something. Now, this, as you guys can see, we're expecting, let's see how next week starts. Okay, come on. Oh, let's see how next week starts, because first, see that lower high, we haven't closed above. So now I doubt it. I don't think the weekly will reset this weekend, but pay attention, because if you see, look at the week, see how fast it got butt right back up. We probably close the candle right here, but if the candle close a little bit above this last week lows, if it close right here and then next week starts right there, yeah, the weekly reversal will start. But I don't think it will do that. Okay, I think we are going to chuggle along between that 7 to 10 cents or 12 cents until the 10 blocks per second transition is completed. Okay, so anyways, now let's go look at quant right quick. I know a lot of people love to hate quant, but well, let's go look at quant right quick. Okay, let's go here. QNT, the banker's coin. QNT, the banker's coin, but people's most favorite coin that they love to hate. Okay, now look at this. This is on the 1 hourly. Remember, I was telling you yesterday, the harder it falls, the quicker it is going to recover, right? Come on. This fat finger error. Okay, look at this. It was dumping yesterday, and I was telling you it's going to recover fast. See, look at how fast it recovered. Now, ribbon has turned green. We are above the ribbon, chugging along. Look at the moving average. See, it has started to curve. Price always gets attracted to the moving average. That is the situation you're about to see. But anyways, looking at it on the 4 hourly, there. See, again, look at the recovery. Dumped up. Ribbon, we have started to curve. So yeah, we about to climb this and then try to get above the moving average and this important resistance we have up here at $94, $95. Okay, yeah, I'm not worried about quant. There is so much bullish momentum. Them regulations coming in, stable coins getting used by the governments, and they're even mentioning M-breach everywhere. So yeah, it's happening. Well, if you look at it on the daily, this is where a lot of people are still a little bit skeptical. And I'm telling you, as the time frame goes higher, you will see it. Look at the ribbon. It has started to spread, right? We dumped. Look at that. Slowly, ribbon started to spread. Do not sleep on these utility coins. But oh well, it's up to you, whatever you want to do. But I'm telling you, with these things written on the wall happening, yeah, next week is FOMC meeting. You're about to see they cut the rates, and these things are going to rally. You will see. Anyways, now let's go look at Jasmine. Although, like I said, to me, I don't think Jasmine is worth looking at, because all you have to do is check out Bitcoin and you can tell what Jasmine is doing. Okay, now on the daily, again, we're still falling, and that is what everybody keep talking about it. But what you are forgetting is that Jasmine, look at that ribbon. Let me go back. See, from squeezing to now started to spread, right? That usually be the beginning sign. It is still going downwards. That's why I'm paying close attention to it. Okay, until I see Jasmine at that 2.3 cents. Right now, if I did not have a position open, I would have opened one right now and scaled it up, because these entries are like super awesome. Super awesome. So yeah, yeah, you can see it yourself. Well, if you look at it on the 4 hourly, look at the 4 hour. See, it has started to curve. Look at the ribbon again. These things here is not rocket science. Look at the ribbon. It has started to curve. Very soon you will see this turn green and upwards we went. It is happening. Well, you still want to be bearish? That's you. You look at it on the hourly, okay? Look at it on the 1 hour. Look at that. The 1 hour has already flipped green up. Now, price usually get attracted to the moving average. That is what you are about to see. And don't say I didn't warn you, because yeah, there is money to be made in Jasmine. This is the perfect time people put their trades in, scale them up, and and wait. Well, if you don't want to do that, again, I'm not your financial advisor. You are free to do whatever you like with your money, right? So again, you have the opportunity to 5, 10, 20, 100x your money. It's up to you, not up to me. I'm not a financial advisor. I only show you guys what I do, okay? If you want to copy, great. If you don't want to copy, great. It's up to you. But now, down below, I do have the links: Bydfi, Phemex, Margex, and Weex exchanges. Sign up, meet their deposit bonuses. They'll give you free money in thousands. But wait, don't get the free money and start going like full-blown trading, okay? Please take $100, take $200 and start to practice, because you will make mistakes. And it's even better that you make those mistakes with $100 versus you making those mistakes with thousands of dollars. Because again, there is nothing worse for a trader than losing money. You understand? So yeah, unless you love a nice villa in Rec City, that's you. Do as you will please. But anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick. You guys know Bydfi. I trade King Kaspa, and again, I do recommend Bydfi. It's a very, very friendly exchange. Okay, you can. It's very forgiving. Okay, compared to other people. Now, remember yesterday, or when was it? This portfolio was down $6,000. Remember, and now you can see it. I am up 8,100. Again, I will show you this account in 6 figures. You will see. Now, looking at the contracts, we look here. Wow. Kaspa is almost 8 cents. As you can see, my quant, I am still down 43%, which is 4,400. My Kaspa, I am still down 59%, which is 5,300. If you guys remember a couple days ago, I was down almost 80%. Again, these numbers, they don't bother me because I am a long-term trader. And you will see, for example, look at this. For quant, for example, if quant doesn't do good, like I always tell you guys, I think quant 1,200, thereabout, that will make me $174,000. This, I'm good with that. Okay, if quant does average, you are talking about probably $2,500, $2,500. This will give me $382,000 in profit. I am very happy if I make this on my leverage. Okay, now I said quant is a $5,000 coin. Is the most expensive token that you will see in history. It's coming. If we get to 5,000, I will make $780,000 in profit. This, my friends, these are the numbers I'm looking at in the next 6-7 months, something like that. Anyways, now look at Kaspa. It has already started moving. Okay, now all-time high 20 cents. I will make $2,000. Okay, with these listings, I'm telling you guys, you're about to see Kaspa at $1 or even $2. At $1, this thing will make me $50,000. At $2, I'll be looking at $111,000. For me, if Kaspa does not do good, okay, if it underperforms, we're looking at a $5 Kaspa, which will make me $294,000 in profit. If Kaspa does average, okay, if it does perform average, we're looking at a $7 Kaspa, which will make me $416,000 in profits. I'm telling you guys, you will see this. Or like a lot of people call me Moon Boy, if it hits that market spot that I think Kaspa is going to hit, $10, you will see this position at almost $600,000. These are the numbers I'm paying attention to. These ones, they are just temporary, and you will see it, and you can even see, look here, my overall has started to climb. It is coming. Okay, now let's go look at my Phemex. On Phemex, you guys know I trade Jasmine and King Kaspa right there. That's what I trade. Okay, looking at it yesterday, I was down almost $6,000, $5,000. Today, as you can see, I am up $7,000. I think it's because of Jasmine. But anyways, now looking at the contract, you will see here on my Jasmine, I am still down 76%. Yesterday I was down 80%, I think it was. But 76%, which is $8,400. And for my Kaspa, I am still, wow, it is doing way better. I am still down, but it's just 16%, which is $700. But again, these are not the numbers I'm looking at. For Jasmine, for example, like I said, you're looking at the first zero at 4.5 cents, which will make me $3,000. Then you look at 12 cents, which will make me $31,000. Look at 15 cents, the golden pocket, which will make me $42,000. Last season, we had a big fight with 20 cents, okay? At 20 cents, this will make me $61,000. Now, last bull run all-time high, 30 cents. This will make me $98,000. For me, I think Jasmine, without anything they're working on right now on this bull run, it could hit 60 cents. 60 cents, they will make me $210,000. But with everything they're working on right now, if they release it on time, we might be looking at either $1 or $2 Jasmine. At $1, this thing will make me $359,000 in profit, or a $2 Jasmine, which will make me $733,000. This is what I am looking at. I don't know about you, but these are the numbers I am looking at the next 6-7 months. Now, Kaspa, the same thing. When we begin the listings at $1, this thing will make me $84,000. At $2, this will make me $176,000. Like I said, if it underperform $5, it will make me $452,000. If we average performance $7, it will make me $636,000. Or my Moonboy price prediction, which I think is very possible, it will make me $912,000. These are the numbers that I am looking at. I don't know about you, but anyways, now let's go to Weex. On Weex Exchange, I'm trading King Kaspa and Cubic. And again, I told you guys, high risk, high rewards, right? If you guys remember, this position was down probably $300 not long ago. Today, I am up $2,200. Now, if you look at my contracts, you will see this. I'm still down, okay? I remember my Cubic being down almost like 85%, and everybody was calling Rec City, and I kept laughing, telling you guys you don't even know what you're doing. Right now, my Cubic, I'm still down 56%, which is $1,000. And my Kaspa, see that? I'm almost breaking even. 5%, which is $64. But again, the numbers I'm looking at, for example, Cubic, all-time high was 5 zeros and a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 7. This thing will already make me $10,000, and we're getting there. It's coming. Okay, for me, if you lose a 0, 4 zeros and a 5, it will make me $92,000. I think Cubic on this run, we can easily go to 3 zeros and a 2, or 3 zeros and a 3. It will make me $379,000, or $570,000 on this position. There's a lot of development coming out of that camp, but I guess people still skeptical because of how the price is moving. Let's see how the man up to that. Now, if you look at Kaspa, for example, the next one, like I said, look at that. Exchange listing coming at $1, I will be making $33,000. At $2 is $70,000. Underperforming Kaspa, $5, it will make me $180,000. Average performing Kaspa, $7, it will make me $253,000. And my price prediction, $10, it will make me $364,000. You guys can see these are the numbers that I am looking for. Okay, you can pause it and and look at them again. Now, I know people are asking, like, how is my position moving like that? You can pause my videos and look. I trade at 50x. I am a very aggressive trader. And like I told you guys, when you start to read books, like one of them being Psychology of Money, you guys already saw it. I have 6 positions. Okay, let's just say they don't do bullish, they do average. If they do average, we counting probably $2-3 million in profit. That's what we're counting. If they do the way I'm thinking is going to do, well, that's how it starts, right? Again, please, guys, do not believe this guy is telling you Bitcoin is going to 300,000. It's not going to happen. Look at the work, the writings on the wall. The M2 money supply, the US economy, everything is pointing that we are about to have us a recession. The economy is about to crash, and they're about to do wonders with it. Okay, so yeah, don't say I didn't warn you. Don't say I did not, because again, in this my millionaire journey, we are in the business of making money, not in the business of looking money. Of losing money. Sorry. So yeah, pay attention to those things. Okay, that being said, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like and comment. Okay, guys, I'm very interested in listening to everybody. Okay, I don't delete comments. I try to read all of your comments and I try to reply to all of them. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, and most important, don't forget to share, so that other people with millionaire minds attitude like you and yours truly can see these videos and the family can grow. Again, like I usually say, you never know what you will learn from a stranger. Okay, so yeah, let's welcome them all. The fathers, the haters, the lovers, let's welcome them all. Here we respect everybody's opinions. Okay, that's it, guys. You guys already know. I'm still gonna wait for those of you waiting for a 1-cent Kaspa. I'm still waiting, okay? Until I see you in my next one. Please take very good care of yourselves, okay? And bye-bye.